hit record. Okay. Hey, and welcome. Today is January 18th. This is the biweekly SIG Instrumentation meeting. There is one topic, I think, on the agenda. No. Yeah, one topic on the agenda, which is to review KEPs for the 1.30 release. If you have any other topics, feel free to add them.
There was one
Yeah,
topic
if yours
previously.
Go ahead.
So there was one
What's up,
topic
Ravi?
previously to discuss about the next steps on usage metrics data. What is next steps with that project?
Are you contributing to the project, or are you interested in learning what's going on in the project?
Yeah, I would like to use that project, but right now it doesn't support C groups V2. Earlier, it was mentioned in the KubeCon that it needs to be updated to C groups V2, but when I brought it up in the first week of January, there was a discussion that there is a plan to talk to that maintainer of that project and see how to take it forward.
Okay. I don't remember.
I think Anne was responsible for
Anne,
talking to
okay.
Philip, but Anne is not here today, sadly. So, yeah, maybe we can push that one for the next meeting.
Yeah.
And same for the initiatives we want to pursue. Like, I don't know if this is related to KEPs or the overall roadmap for the year, but we might want to wait for Han and Pranshu to be here.
Yep. Do you want to wait for them for KEPs? I'd rather just
No. For KEPs, we can start, I guess.
Okay.
Like we can start have a look at like a couple of them and then maybe continue during triage next week.
Okay, let's do KEP review. And I think we should, if we're in doubt, maybe opt it in.
Yeah. Worst case scenario, we can always opt out.
What were the, I feel like we got instructions for how to opt things in.
Yeah, I don't remember what's the
All the
label. Yeah.
These are the instructions. Okay, apply the current milestone and lead opted in. Okay. On the tracking issue.
Do you want to share your screen, David?
Oh, am I not sharing? Shoot, I thought I was.
Oh, no, you're not.
Need to make sure I'm sharing the right screen. I think it's this one.
Yep. And that's an announcement.
No, that's the wrong one. Oh, wait.
Oh, that's the Google group where there is the once early announcement. Not sure if that's what you wanted to share.
I wanted to share this one.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, that's the KEP. Yeah.
What's the label called?
Lead opt-in.
Okay. Event API migration.
Oh, this one, no, I won't do it.
I think we,
Yeah, this one I think we want to opt in.
Yep.
Because I think Patrick wanted to go beta.
yep. What's
So
the,
yeah, this one I think it's pretty safe.
have we never opted this in before? Do you know what the command is?
Try /label and then space and then lead opted in. Like set the label manually. Maybe that will work.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure if it is wired to a command.
Now am I a milestone? I'll come back to it. I'll see if that worked.
Yeah. Let me check on the ones I did before. In the meantime. Yeah, normally it should be good. I found one where we did that.
Metric cardinality enforcement. Is this?
Yeah, it was moved to beta pretty recently. I think 129, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe we should wait one more release.
Who's driving this now?
Pancho. Pancho was the one to do the graduation to beta.
Okay. Did I lose my internet or something?
No, I can still hear you. Oh yeah, I need to write a doc for this one.
Are you planning to do something for 130?
It's already GA. I just need to add the doc.
Okay, and then we can close it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, just me muted.
Do we need to then move the kept to implemented?
Yeah, once the doc is done, I think. I think I started writing the doc, but then the doc team wanted me to change the way the documentation was structured for debugging. And I was like, oh.
Beta.
Structure, look, why isn't it disclosed? HTA already? I think we already asked that too, probably. If you go at the bottom, what is being said? Wait, didn't Marek step down from structural logging?
Okay, so I'll just,
Let me find who's the other person. I'm just checking again just to make sure.
at this point, the plan is to convert code directly to contextual logging, so see there for progress tracking.
Yeah, add Mengyao to it. Meng, M-E-N. Yeah, that's the new release.
Didn't we made this stable?
Yeah, I think so.
There's a PR out.
Oh, I guess you can approve it maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can you? Yeah, you should be able to.
Let's see if hours. I doubt I do. I can ping Dawn.
I think you should be able to, because it's like in the. Oh no, it's in caps owner. Yeah, maybe not.
It's in C. Okay, I pinged Dawn.
Right.
That's great. I'm excited. We're actually closing some of these out.
Yeah.
Last but not least,
And this one we said, yeah, that you wanted to opt in, right?
yes. How did that? Nice. It worked. Okay.
You can do the milestone from there as well.
Okay. There we go. And I think that's everything. So
Yeah. So there will be what? Contextual logging, maybe matrix anomaly detection and API server tracing.
maybe kubelet tracing,
Yeah, maybe kubelet tracing.
maybe metric cardinality, and
Yeah. I mean, we could make metric cardinality stable. Like it's already beta. We might as well make it
we can make
stable.
that
Like
stable.
we don't really need one release to test it out.
Which one? Sorry.
The cardinality enforcement.
Yeah. That would be good to close out for sure.
Yeah.
It's not going away. I'm just going to document this. Too many tabs. There we go.
You need to put the anomaly detector in maybe planned because it depends on branch rule.
Oh, the metrics anomaly, this one?
Yeah. Yeah, we need to see with branch rule. Like I wasn't even aware of that effort.
Yeah, I
Before
presented it recently.
I think the issue is pretty old, but I don't think I talked to Control about it at all.
Okay, so that's. Does that look correct?
That's a good plan. And GA, yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. And then, anyone else have any topics they want to discuss?
I'm looking for some contribution areas. Can you suggest something on the metrics?
Metrics related? I think.
I think the easiest one metrics related would be cube state metric to kind of get a whole, like the project is pretty active and there is a lot of issues to look into.
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, cube state metrics would be a good one. Then like on Kubernetes itself, we don't have much. Like our responsibility with regard to metrics at the moment is more, our involvement is more around PR reviews than anything. Because most of the libraries that we have are already in place. So your cube state metric is a good one to start. Or you could look at metric server as well, but it's hard to have time to review at the moment, like we don't have that many reviewers. So it might be hard to get something in.
I mean,
Sounds good.
there's plenty of like. There's certainly for metric server and for the Prometheus adapter, there's plenty of like issues that have been opened that no one has ever looked into, just because those are not really staffed right now.
Mhm.
Would you agree, Damien?
Yeah, but
Sure.
it's more so for metric server, most of the issues in metric server and Prometheus adapter are support questions because it's hard to configure projects. But in terms of implementation, it's really more long-term efforts that we would have in those repos. Because the only like we are kind of keeping the light on these projects, and they are for the most part feature complete. Like there is not much more to do. Like Prometheus adapter will need a rewrite, but like that's out of the picture. And metric server like only needs a couple of improvements that are quite complex and long term. So yeah, they are harder to get into and contribute, but cube state metric is a good one because you can like there is many things that you can do. Like there are a lot of issues where users asks for new metrics. So maybe like introducing the new metrics for them could be one way to contribute.
Sounds good. We'll start with cube state metrics and take it from there. Thank you.
Yeah, sounds good. Feel free to reach out if you have any question or need help.
Sure. Thank you so much.
All right. If there aren't any other topics, then I think we will actually, we're out of time anyways. So thanks everyone for joining, and we'll see you next week for triage.
Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.